The gap dimensions of the side flaps are uneven. With the roof open, it's clear to see. Normally the gaps would be equal and the transitions level. To fix this, you can easily adjust the side flaps. Close the top until the soft top cover is upright and the side flaps are not yet extended. Before we get underway, secure the soft top lid against slamming. Now loosen the 3 screws on the side flap and set it so the circular recess of the side flap is parallel to the soft top compartment lid. Now you can tighten the screws. Next, adjust the nut and turn the stop buffer in the appropriate direction to adjust the height of the side flap. When the position is correct, tighten the nut. Before closing the soft top compartment lid, be sure to remove the tool out of the hinge. Finally, with the top down, check the transitions and gap dimensions once again. If necessary, repeat the steps or do them on the other side.